Hi everybody, Scott Smith, Rusnack BMW in Southern California. Check out this brand new M3 in Silverstone Metallic. Silverstone Metallic. Check this color out. Four-door. It's got the twin power turbo technology. 400. Wait, what's that I hear? Oh shoot, it's Mean Brother M4 just showed up. Let's do a little rev time. Wow. Which one sounds better, guys? Just tell me in the comments. That thing is awesome. I'll get to its brother here in just a minute. Let's look underneath the hood here. There we go. There's that work of art. Nice power plant. Thanks, Johnson. Check that out. Got your nice carbon fiber strut support. Now guys, this is twin power turbo technology, 406 horsepower. Thanks, Blake. 406 foot-pounds of torque. Both these cars will have the lighting package on them. Full LED adaptive. As you can see here, we don't put the front license plates mounts on unless the client wants it. We got the upgraded black 19-inch wheels. There's your M Performance brakes there. And you got your side front cameras. And the signature wheel well diffuser there, rear vent. Let's go to the sticker here on the M3. Let's just do the shadow, that'll be a little better. Scoot back, alright. There we go. This way you guys can see all the packages on this US model. Pause it anytime you want just to check out all the details. This one I don't think is missing too much from what we consider a loaded M3. Scoot back, there you go. 79,000 US dollars, what a bargain, you know it. 17 city, 24 highway, 19 average, but who really cares? Just want to get out and drive this thing. Now the one thing between these two cars is that the M3 is actually about a little over 1.5 inches taller than the M4. Both the same width. Excuse me, no. The width in the M3 is actually 0.3 of an inch wider. Ground clearance, the M3 actually sits 1/10 of an inch lower at 4.7 compared to 4.8. You'll get more legroom in the rear seating of the M3. One thing that I've really noticed over the years with the 3 Series sedan and now the 4 Series coupe, you know, and the 3 Series coupes of the past, is that it seems like it's more of an upright seating, obviously in the 4-door compared to the coupe. The coupe angle of the windshield and stuff, you feel like you're a little bit more laid back. It's one thing I've noticed depending on how comfortable you want to be in the car. It's just something I've noticed. I've had 335s in the past, coupe and sedans. 0 to 60, one of the major magazines. It's gotten the M3 to 3.8 and the M4 to 3.9. Weight between the two cars is you have the M3 is just under 3,600 pounds with the with an empty car, and the M4 is actually just 10 pounds lighter. Let's get inside, show you some of the features in here. Got your signature M seats. The M badge does glow at night, so it's kind of a cool touch when you're coming up to your car. Got the contrast stitching. As you can see, we've got the full carbon trim inside. Black headliner. This one does have the upgraded sound system. Awesome navigation system. Both of these will be the double clutch transmission, the 7-speed, which is really popular out here. I mean, if there's any car that you'd like to have a stick in, I think it would be an M3 or an M4, so don't get me wrong, that would be amazing. But the 0 to 60 time is actually faster with the double clutch. Let's go check out the M4. Give you another screenshot here. Sorry about the camera here. Get this thing to focus. There's your M4 idling. Do a little better walk around for you here. Get some nice shots. One difference too is the M3 is going to have 5 seat belts. M4 is just going to have 4. They both come with split folding rear seats. This one has been upgraded with the carbon fiber mirror covers. And this one does have the carbon roof, whereas that M3 over there has got the moon roof. Alright, let's check this one out. This way you can see comparison with stickers between the two. Options, packages. This one you can see is 83 and change. Mileage the same. Yeah, let's check in the interior. Man, really like this carbon fiber trim, especially when the sunlight hits it. It's such a nice look. Nav's a 4.2 version, 20 gig hard drive. You got real-time traffic included for 3 years, advanced real-time traffic. And there's actually a lot of room in the back seat, so 4 adults can definitely fit in this car, guys. Trunk size is going to be a whole cubic foot larger in the M3. Let's close these up, give you another shot, little walk around. This one here is in the Alpine white, got the black interior. This one you've got the blacked out front grille. They're the same length, guys, just the M3 is just a tad bit wider, just over 1.5 inches taller. Virtually the same weight. Same amazing engine, transmission. It's just, which one would you want? 4-door, 2-door? Thanks for watching. Have a good one.